Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this really cool gradient text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to add in a background real quick. Then I'm going to go to the text section and I'm just going to add in a text and I'm just going to type in the word gradient and I'm just going to choose a font for that. You can choose any font you want. Then you're just going to start selecting colors that you want for your gradient. I'm going to choose some cute colors here. Like maybe a pink one. Then just select them all and create compound clip on like everything. Go to the text, go to mask, and either select the mirror or the horizontal one and start like creating the gradient by blending them out like this. And then like on this one, maybe you want to select the horizontal one and I'm just going to just select that. And lastly, oops, don't forget to like blend it out though. And lastly, we have this one. And just adjust it as you go, and that is pretty much it. I think I'm just going to delete this one, to be honest. Yeah, that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!